Hey YouTube, another video today. Just got back from a trip to Montreal and I spent a couple $100 on collectibles. Should be doing tourist stuff, but there was a lot of things I wanted. I got a lot of Pokemon, a lot of Transformers, and two Minecraft things, this being one of them. So another cool thing before we look at this, Minecraft got announced for a second film, so I'm big stoked on that. 2 years away, 2027, we'll have a new Minecraft film. But until then, enjoy this. So this is an official Mojang product with Mattel. I bought this at EB Games in Montreal, that's why it's in French. So this is the armadillo. Comes with meat, comes with a little baby armadillo, and then it also comes with the mom, as well as you see from the back all the other things and what it can become. So I don't have anyone else from this series, but I do have a bunch of the other minifigures. And then it just shows you the back. So now we're going to open it up, take a look at them. This is the first thing out of the box, a little piece of meat. Funny. Second thing is the big armadillo. So these were recently at McDonald's, not these, but the Minecraft toys. I got all of them. I'm lucky. I only got a few of them from McDonald's, and then I went to Valley Village and they had bags of them, so I bought the whole set of McDonald's ones for $1.99. But I also have some of the old Walmart keychains and stuff. So, like before the movie, like 2015, 2016. So now I'm trying to get all the new Minecraft collectibles too, such as this. So this one actually transforms. I do like Transformers as well, so this is really cool. Wow, really smooth transformation too. That is so cool actually. Really effective, just like the game, like the shape and all that, amazing. And so cute, we have the tiny one here, the baby. This is the little baby one. Aw, so cute. So that's what you get if you buy this set. I think it's super cool.